Yay! Go Shelly! Go Ross! You go Ross!
Hey, way to go, Cherry!
Did you already finish?
Yeah, different.
I can't tell.
Okay.
Awesome! Yeah! I gotcha! Woohoo! I love that finish!
That's great! Yeah.
Awesome finish, guys! That's it! Way to go!
Come on.
Go! Way to go, Peanut! Kick it in! Come on!
Right, Terry?
Yeah!
All right, well done.
Go Spods, man! Woohoo! Smile! Great job! I think it's fine.
Good job. Good job.
Hey, thank you! Thank you so much! Hey. Can't see the screen. Go Jen! Don't get my camera wet. That's all. Go Jen! Hey, you Jen! Go Jen! All right! Yeah, we're blocking it up. It's hard to see anybody. My legs, look at them, they're getting more dirty just from standing here. Good job, go Kathy! Hey, Kathy! Go Iggy! I start forgetting names.
Come on, Iggy!
Go Iggy! Come on, run through it. Down the way, guys. Oh my God, this guy's in front of me, I can't see.
Come on, Iggy!
Go Iggy!
Way to go, Sudsy!
Look at her.
Buddy.
Go Suds. Where's Suds? Where's Suds?
Where's Sudsy? Good job.
Hey, here we go, guys. We're recording. We're recording now. Hi there, Joey. Oh, Jesus. Oh, man, you got me all dirty. I was trying to take a bath. I take my shoes and socks and wash off down here. Slap me in the behind there. All right. Oh, God. On the camera. Oh, my blanket. Oh, look at the bag, man.
Don't get dirty, Karen.
This is so funny. This is all from here.
Oh, what did you do?
I went and stood in the...
Oh, it's got to say, you were so I had to take a bath.
all swim.
The running technique is levitating.
I did. I wanted to go back. I saw me. Yes.
Yeah, I missed you. Go by. I didn't get you on film. Unless you're running right with Iggy, then I might have you.
So he was in front. Yeah, he's pretty far in front of you. Oh, I see that.
This is almost as bad as Boston. Trying to find people.
Yeah, I know. I didn't even see it when you came through.
I know.
I came so fast.
Oh, you took a shower, didn't you?
Wham.
Nice. Feels good, didn't it? The water felt good every time it went through mud or something. Felt
Yeah,
good.
there was a lot of mud.
It was.
it more than
There
usual?
seemed to be a lot of mud
Oh, no, that was-
spots. It was drier.
I would say
Less than.
that's less than.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought there was a lot of mud.
But I think the worst parts were just as bad, but there wasn't as much of it. The
Yeah.
intensity was there, but the volume
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. You're aficionado.
Put that in.
Right up the middle!
Go, Johnny! Go, Johnny!
Come on, Johnny, you're in!
Go in!
Kick! Go out of the way! Get those people out of your way!
I bet she's never, like, lived to this.
Way to go, Johnny!
Yay, Johnny! You look pretty. Oh, Jerry, you got my camera wet. Ah, yeah! Woohoo! Good one. Yeah! Oh, my God.
This is good mud.
Nice.
Is this audio or
Nice.
Go, Pat! Way to go!
Go, Pats! Go, boys! I gotta make sure I don't get wet. Smile for the camera. There you go, man.
One more hill, buddy. Stay tough. You got it.
Good job. Way to go. Anthony! Quick spaghetti day.
All four of them. All four of them, Jerry.
Eraser! Awesome! Go Eraser! Race the competition! Woo! Go Josh!
out there.
292.
Indianapolis boys responded to you.
I know. What's that?
You girls left an impression.
We smoked.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Hey, Jen.
Oh, that little write-up, they said the girls helped you out. Oh, that girl, the woman that wrote, she wrote a thing about it.
Yeah, she did too.
Oh, there's some other one?
Indianapolis boys responded on the Bumble website to my
I don't know, but you guys left an impression.
Oh, did they?
Yeah.
Oh my God. That's
Yeah, it's
yeah.
nice.
Responded to
It's
her
very
race
nice.
report.
That's awesome. Shoot, I saw I left this on running a few times. I didn't realize.
Let's do a little bit of.
Woohoo! Basketball! Yay! I hope you got that. I did. I think I did. Oh! Got that too. Oh! Watch the camera. Go Glenn! Woo! Glenn! Go CBS!
Oh, JP!
He's not too happy. All right, GP.
It was good.
Shake that bell. Shake that bell. I got you on there. There's Margot. Oh, I can scroll in. Go, Margot! It's shower time. Time for that shower. Woohoo! Good job, Margot! Yeah, you're almost done. One more uphill push. Go, 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 go!
Really tough to make.
I know, go with it. Now you can do it. Smile!
Very strong.
I'm so glad you made it. It was such a surprise.
Yeah. I know, it was a surprise for me. Game time decision.